In June 2020, a worker was killed when the electric sliding gate he was trying to manually open fell on him. SafeWork New South Wales has investigated a number of serious incidents where an electric gate has fallen onto a worker. 2 of these incidents tragically resulted in the worker being killed. In all cases, the electric gate's drive mechanism was disconnected and the gate was being opened and closed manually when it was not safe to do so. If you work with electric gates, keep your people safe. Electric sliding gates can break down for various reasons, such as damage to the gate leaf, support post, guide track, or wear and tear of the drive mechanism. An electric gate, like all plant, needs regular inspection and maintenance to ensure it's operating safely. Worn or broken stoppers can allow the gate leaf to over-travel off the end of the track and fall. Broken support posts or guides can also allow the gate to fall. When the drive mechanism is broken or disconnected, key safety features of the gate no longer work. The anti-collision function stops working, so now the gate can open onto something, creating a crush hazard. The travel limiters stop working, so now the gate may hit the stoppers. Repeated impacts can cause the stoppers to break, allowing the gate to over-travel and fall. There is also no longer speed control on the gate. Even a single impact with enough force to the stoppers could cause them to break off. Gate components can be extremely heavy. Even when the gate is supported by its posts or guides, manual handling can cause serious injuries. Installation of electric gates should always be carried out by a suitably competent person. When installing or replacing a gate, ensure a safe system of work is agreed upon and followed by all workers to prevent the gate from falling. Regular inspection of the gate parts must be conducted. Engage a suitably competent person to inspect the gate leaf, stoppers, posts, rails, guides and tracks. If any parts are damaged and affecting the gate's operation, take the gate out of operation immediately and repair or replace the damaged parts as soon as possible. Regular maintenance of the gate parts must be observed, and particularly the drive mechanism. If the drive mechanism stops operating, only disconnect it if it's safe to do so, and only for the purposes of securing the gate. Prior to disconnecting the drive mechanism, ensure the gate is supported in its track and by the posts and guides. Secure the gate in either an open or a closed position and engage a competent person to undertake the repairs. Post a sign advising people that the gate is not operational. Make sure the gate is not operated manually. If there is no other option but to use the gate manually, do a risk assessment and develop a safe system of work for operating the gate. Identify the only times the gate should be used manually and by whom. Make sure everyone operating the gate is aware of the hazards and trained in how to do it safely. Make sure your electric gates are regularly inspected and maintained to prevent people at your workplace being killed or seriously injured. Be gate safe.